Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to recover your Trezor wallet. First, understand that your recovery seed phrase is paramount. This unique sequence of 12, 18, or 24 words is your only backup. It is crucial to keep it safe and offline. Never share it with anyone, and always double-check its accuracy before storing it. This seed is the key to regaining access to your digital assets. Before starting, gather your original recovery seed phrase. This is absolutely essential for the process. Next, download and install the official Trezor Suite application from the Trezor website onto your computer. Avoid third-party software. Finally, connect your Trezor hardware device to your computer using a USB cable. Ensure a stable connection for a smooth recovery experience. Now, open the Trezor Suite application and navigate to the Recover Wallet option. You will be prompted to enter your recovery seed phrase. Carefully input each word, one by one, ensuring the correct spelling and order. Double-check every word before proceeding. Once all words are entered and confirmed, your wallet will be successfully restored, granting you access to your funds. After successful recovery, verify that all your cryptocurrency balances are correctly displayed within Trezor Suite. It is a good practice to consider creating a new, secure backup of your recovery seed phrase, perhaps in a different secure location. Always remember to practice excellent security habits, like using strong passphrases and keeping your seed offline to protect your valuable digital assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.